Video of everything.
Why didn't do that?
Yeah, we are at Big Boy's truck stop in Kenly, North Carolina. That is in Kenly, exit 105, Bagley Road, off of I-95. Look at all these trucks. Yes, I used to work here. Big Boy is my great uncle, and I am blessed to have family like that. He's a great guy. Oops, I'm zooming in. Thank you for your business and drive safely. Awesome. Don't you dare.
I'll turn it off.
Happy 4th of July, everybody. Do what? Come on, dude. I want you to video while we're moving. We're gonna go around. Look, we're at the front of the truck stop. Now we're gonna go all the way around.
How would you like that?
What?
I'm talking to them. How would you like to go around and have a tour?
Yes, we are taking the tour of Big Boy's truck stop.
This is where you customize your own shirt.
Ain't that awesome? Custom embroidery hats for you.
This is a trucker.
Whoa.
And this is our golf cart. Well, not actually ours, we're just using it.
No, it is not our golf cart at all. We are fortunate enough to be able to use it. This is a big parking lot and there's hardly any trucks. You know why? I think it's because it's the 4th of July. I hope that's why. Okay, now there's nobody out here. We're going to open her up and see how fast she goes. Woo-hoo-hoo! That's it. That's everything. Hey, you're videotaping the ground, man. What are you doing? What is all this back here? Whoa! Do not do that! You almost swung me off.
There's a hole.
There is a hole there.
Watch where you're going.
I'm taking the whole tour, man. You watch where I'm going. When I worked here before, we used to go out there. Well, there used to be a trail. There is a trail out there, but I'm not going there. Here we go. The mechanics, the truck mechanics. Jim's truck repair. Look, look, look. Alright. There's the scales right there. NC certified scales. I used to call out the scales when I worked here too. Look, get the building, get the building.
What's that? And here is a wheeled truck that pulls cars. Here's a truck boat.
Okay, we're headed to the other side of where we started from, and we're going to turn back around after we get over here. And go back all the way around because there's no good way to go here unless we cut through the grass. You want to cut through the grass?
No.
Heck yeah, let's go.
No!
I'm serious, we're in a monster truck.
No, it ain't. That's rocks you're heading.
Alright, we're done.
We're done with the tour, everybody. Goodbye and stay tuned for more.